अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप सब कैसे हैं? आज मैं आप लोगों को एक बहुत अच्छी ट्रिक बताने वाली हूँ हिंदी सीखने के लिए। ये बहुत ही बढ़िया ट्रिक है। मैंने जो भी लैंग्वेजेस सीखी है आज तक, इन सब में मैंने ये ट्रिक यूज़ किया है और आज मैं ये ट्रिक आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ। चलो वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। So the trick I'm going to share to you all is that elaborating the answer. For example, if someone is asking to you, what's your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? I just don't say Afrin. I say मेरा नाम Afrin है. And if someone is asking me, तुम्हारा favorite color क्या है? I just don't say पीला. पीला it means yellow. I say मेरा favorite color पीला है. So what you have to do is that focus on the question first. What is the question that's being asked? And the next thing you have to focus on is the answer, the way you're going to frame it. Instead of giving a straight answer like Afrin, yellow, pila, instead of giving a straight answer, try to elaborate it. First fix the answer. What's the answer? Fix, and then pick the answer from the question. For example, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? You remove the तुम्हारा and put मेरा, which is mine, मेरा, नाम. You pick it from the question. You pick the answer from the question, मेरा नाम, and you remove the क्या because it's a question word and place Afrin, and then you end it with है. Your sentence is framed now. मेरा नाम Afrin है, which is my name is Afrin. And you do the same for all the answers. So what I mean you to elaborate is that when any question is asked to you, you use conjunctions. What is conjunctions? Let's say there are two sentences. The first sentence is Afrin is having fever. She couldn't go to the school. Afrin is having fever. She couldn't go to the school. If I'm to join these two sentences, what would I do? What should I do to join these two sentences? I would say Afrin didn't go to the school because she had fever. The same thing, here what do? You use a conjunction which is because. By using that because, you join two sentences and make it one. And now what happens? You talk more. Now the conversation is big. It's no more small. You're gonna use this same trick when you're talking. Whenever you're talking, you're going to use the same trick. What you're gonna do is that if I'm asking you any question, for example, I'm asking तुम्हारा favorite color क्या है? I just don't say मेरा favorite color पीला है. My favorite color is yellow. I don't stop there. I try my best to elaborate. मेरा favorite color yellow है और मैं जो भी कपड़ा पहनती हूँ वो yellow कलर का है और पीला कलर मुझे बहुत पसंद है और मेरे फ्रेंड्स को भी पीला कलर बहुत पसंद है. कुछ लोग हैं जिनको पीला कलर पसंद नहीं है पर मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So I try to elaborate it, even though the sentence isn't that related. I'm just making no sense when I'm talking, but that doesn't matter. You're gonna do this until you are well trained in Hindi. Until you are well trained to talk, you're gonna repeat this practice. Okay? So when you start repeating this, what happens is that you're training yourself to use certain words at certain places. So this trick is very useful. I have used it to all of my spoken Hindi students. So they have appreciated it a lot. So this really works. So basically what you have to do to follow this trick is that you're going to find some conjunction words. Alright? You're going to find some conjunction words like but, because, so, and, if, then, that. All these conjunction words. Find that in Hindi and start using those words whenever you're talking. And now you're gonna do this until you are fluent, until you're fluent in Hindi. Once you become fluent, you become the king of your kingdom. which is why the reason why I'm saying this is because when you become fluent, you don't have to elaborate it. That's how colloquial in Hindi works. They're not gonna expect that when they're talking. So you can talk casually. Then there's no need for you to elaborate it. Kana kha liya? Have you had your food? Huh? You don't say main kana kha liya. There's no need to elaborate it. You can just say that's what I'm trying to tell. You can say whatever you want to say. So you don't have to worry too much about the grammar. You don't have to worry too much about what you're talking. When you become fluent, you are the king of your kingdom. So you can, of course, you should be correct. The way you talk should make sense. At the same time, there's no need for you to be formal. You don't have to be like, Mera naam Afrin hai. You can simply say Afrin. Mera naam Afrin hai. So it can be very casual when you're talking. So just don't forget to use this trick. And this is an amazing trick. This would definitely make you fluent in talking in Hindi. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some conjunctions here so that you all could learn the conjunctions. And let's go. The first conjunction is aur. Aur means and. Par, which is but, B-U-T, but. Kyunki, because. Kyunki, because. Ki, that. Isliye, so. Isliye, so. Alright, for now, these are the conjunctions I would like to teach you. But in the future, there are lots of conjunctions to be learned. But for now, this would work for you. Just keep practicing. Try to elaborate the sentence and keep practicing. And one day you're gonna talk in a fluent Hindi. Alright, the next trick is that focus on question words. Okay, when you talk, when you are learning Hindi, focus on question words, because 90% of the time when you talk in Hindi, not only in Hindi, be it any language, be it English, Tamil, Hindi or French, whatever language it might be, but when you talk in that language, 90% of the time we use question words. Time when you go to school, teacher gonna ask you some questions, are you present, or have you eaten, have you did this, have you did that, all those. So if we pay close attention to our conversation, our daily life conversation, most of the words we use are question words. So it's highly important for you to learn question words. So for now, just learn these 4 question words. They are kya. Number 1 is kya. Okay, kya, which means what, is kyun, which means why. Kaise, how. Kaise, how. Kab, when. Kab, when. So for you to make it easy, there's a song in Hindi which is ये क्या हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, क्यों हुआ, जब हुआ, तब हुआ. So there's this song. I'm not good at singing, but I just want to let you know. So this song, you could learn so many words in this one single song, which is the first one. They say ye kya hua, which means what happened, what is this, ye kya hua, what has happened. Then kaise hua, how it happened. Kab hua, when it happened. Kab hua, hua means something is happening. Kab hua means when it happened. Kyun hua, why it happened. Why it happened. Kyun hua. And the answer goes like this. Jab hua, tab hua. Which means when it happened, then it happened. Jab hua, tab hua. Jab means when, tab means then. When it happened, then it happened. So you can learn so many of these words and vocabularies in just one song. And after this, I would like to teach you one more trick, which is whenever a question is starting from kyun, remember the meaning of kyun? Kyun, it means why. Kyun, why. The answer should start from kyunki. Kyunki, which means because. Okay, so this is only until you get fluent in Hindi. So once you get fluent in Hindi, there is no need for you to use kyunki every now and then. So you know better when to use and when not to use. So till you get fluent in Hindi, just practice this. Just remember this: whenever the question starts from kyun, the answer should definitely start from kyunki. For example, आज तुम खाना खाया? Did you eat food today? And the boy goes like, नहीं, मैं खाना नहीं खाया. No, I didn't eat the food. And the mother goes, क्यों? Why? The boy's answer would be, क्योंकि मुझे भूख नहीं है. Because I'm not feeling hungry. क्योंकि मुझे भूख नहीं है. Because I'm not feeling hungry. Alright, so these are the tricks I want to share with you, and trust me, I have tested this thing with my students and they are doing amazing. It's benefiting them a lot, so that's the reason why I want to share this with you. And if you like this video, if you found this interesting and useful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.